Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to join Google Classroom. First, you are going to sign on through ClassLink using your Quick Scan card. Once you've signed in with your Quick Scan card, you should see a screen that looks something like this, the dark blue background, and it tells you you're in ClassLink. You will also see all of these apps displayed. You are going to find the app that says Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom. Once you've clicked on Google Classroom, it will bring you to another screen, which is going to show you your child's class. Click on the class and join when it prompts you to. It's going to ask you to join class. You are going to select join class. Once you join the class, please feel free to explore the features of the class, look around, click on things. Also, if there's an option where you can add your personal email so that you will be notified of things going on in Google Classroom, please add your own personal email. If you're not sure how to add your personal email, you can just email me or message me through ClassDojo with your personal email and I will add it to your child's Google Classroom for you. All right, thank you.